Yo, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today we're going to be starting our Philadelphia 76ers franchise rebuild. If you guys are new, make sure to definitely drop a like and subscribe to never miss another video. So we're going to start off with the team breakdown. Joel Embiid, center, 90 overall. Ben Simmons, power forward, 87 overall, 21 years old, very young. JJ Redick, shooting guard, 80 overall, playing up, which is good. Robert Covington, he's probably not going to be here very long. 79 overall, obviously. He was dealt, him and Darius Sarge were dealt to the Minnesota Timberwolves during this past season, but we're starting in the off season. So basically, that's the team. I said I was going to obviously, I was going to showcase it, but basically, Brett Brown, I'd give him another year, but he's under control for a long time. So basically, I want to get Trent Peterson. I could get Michael Stauffer or Jacob Underwood, but I want to try out some new guys, so I'm going to get him. I usually get him as assistant coach, but I'm going to get him as head coach. I'm going to get Otis Newman as the assistant coach. I've never really tried him out. Head scout. Cuba Gooding, that's what I was looking for. He's 11 offers, so we're probably going to have to give him $300K. Because usually that's about the max, or fills up his meter all the way. And now we need to get Trey James, best available. At least averagely good. Assistant GM, Michael Williams. Give him $600K. Okay. So can't give Trey James obviously the offer, but we can. Like, it says we can't, but we can. So, okay. Well, that was interesting. That was definitely interesting. So now, let's head to the NBA draft. Obviously, a good pickup here could be power forward or small forward, because, or even shooting guard, because point guard I can move Ben Simmons there. What pick do we have? The 10th. I'm gonna send him my user pick. Risk it. Would you like to view? I'll review them. Why not? Bobby Portis. Michael Porter. I know. Lou Williams. Yeah. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna choose my prospect. Jaren Jackson's here still. Kevin Knox. Marvin Bagley, Jaren Jackson. So those are probably my two best options, definitely here. I could go Michael Bridges, but I don't need him as much as I need. Because if I move Simmons to point guard, honestly, who do I like better? I like Marvin Bagley. It was really tough there, honestly. We do have another first round pick. Basically, it's evaluating. I'll view them. Why would I want that? No. It's not. Okay, I'm choosing Shea Gilgis Alexander. Okay, I was hoping Mo Wagner would be here. Just gonna send him to the end of the draft, but dude, Mo Wagner is easily going to be the pick there. Rookie signings, holy cow. Okay. So we're gonna decline that guy, that's fine with me. Kevin, okay, we're gonna accept him. We'll accept, nah. I feel like we could keep the roster a little bit fresh here. Okay, we'll do that. Team options. Sean Holmes team option. I'm not gonna accept either. Just want to see what happens though. Qualifying offers, nothing there. We'll head over to moratorium period. Okay, this could be very interesting. So we could easily just get over to Markel Fultz. And then we'd free up. Okay, we could get rid of these two guys for like really cheap deals, and then ship those guys out pretty easy. I have some deals I definitely want to make. I want to ship out Markel Fultz 100%. I do want to ship out Robert Covington. Can somebody give me like a really cheap deals? Okay. No. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. That deal definitely there was pretty interesting. We could do Jonathan Isaac. Okay, Dennis Smith. Do we just have that draft though? That's what I'm confused about. Alright, we did that deal right there. And then trade finder. Let's go try to get Robert Covington off the books. This is all in hopes to get LeBron James. Patrick Beverly, welcome to the team roster. It makes no sense now at this point to move. Okay, so we definitely have to move Dario Saric to make room for Marvin Bagley at the backup power forward spot. Obviously, stuff's changed, so now Marvin Bagley won't start his first year, which is dealable. Now, will this work with... Okay, there you go. Something there. So how close are we at LeBron? Okay, we made some progress. We'll give him a pretty sizable deal. Player option for a fourth year, basically. And then we'll give Kevin Durant as much as he would like. We'll give him a 4-year with a player option as well. Okay, we do get that. We're not gonna. Okay, we are gonna announce the rights there. Okay. So go over to our roster. We've got it. Be right back. Alright guys, we're here taking a look at the roster here. So point guard position is pretty decent. We got Dennis Smith locking that down, as well as Patrick Beverly. So basically, okay, so we got Dennis, Patrick Beverly. Not a bad combo there. Then we got Glenn Hammonds. Now, I might sign a. You know what? I think I'm gonna let Glenn start this year and see what happens there, and Kevin Huerter can uh, back him up or whatever. And then we got LeBron James, 3 years, $112 million with a player option. Now we have Ben Simmons and Marvin Bagley and Mo Wagner. So basically what we can do here is see if we can... What would happen if we move LeBron to shooting guard, big shooting guard, and then we'll basically move Huerter and we'll move him to the G League, and then we'll have to see here. Hold up, Marvin Bagley to small forward. Okay, what's his 3-pointer? Okay. We can experiment with that for sure. How about Ben Simmons? Okay, actually, no, he's better there. So we'll move Bagley. Okay, I just wanted to see what that would go. Okay, that makes more sense. Ben Simmons is definitely more of a natural, I think, small forward than Marvin Bagley would be any day. And then we got Joel Embiid. So this team is looking kind of pretty good. Basically what we can do now is simulate to the end of the off season and see what this team's looking like. So Dennis Smith should be starting, which is really nice. That's what we're looking forward to, is seeing how well these guys will progress during the season, which is obviously a plus. So I'm gonna quick load in a draft class. I'm going to use this one. This one's the most downloaded one. Tends to work for me. I don't see an issue much with it. If you guys want me to try out a different draft class in another types of videos, but this video, the series is gonna have this one for this season. So just let me know what you guys think about that down in the comment section down below. That'll be for this next coming season, obviously. All these guys are playing with like depression and stuff, so but we're gonna send him down to the G League, as well as, let's see, maybe, no, I can't send him there. Can I send anybody else there? I don't think I can. We got Bogut. Yeah, no. I'm not dealing with Andrew Bogut. Okay, Rashawn Holmes. First season back on the team. Alright. Can I send Hammonds? Okay, I can't. But anyway, Hammonds will be up there here then. Alright, so this team's looking pretty decent. We'll have opening game against the Celtics in the next episode. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.